Hey everybody, Brickhouse here with another video, and this time we've got a Sound of Freedom update. That's right, the little movie that has taken America by storm, even beat out some of the big guys, has begun its worldwide release. Yes, that's right, Sound of Freedom has now gone international. This past weekend, Sound of Freedom was released in both, of all places, Australia and New Zealand. In Australia, Sound of Freedom took the number 2 spot, right behind, you guessed it, Barbie, raking in $1.2 million at the box office. I would say not bad for a movie that's really more targeted to a US-centric audience. But the topic covered in Sound of Freedom really is something that should bring everybody together globally, my opinion. In New Zealand, Sound of Freedom raked in 261,000, debuting at number 1 in New Zealand at the box office. Yes, you guessed it, Sound of Freedom took down Barbenheimer in its debut in New Zealand. Now, that's not all, folks. Sound of Freedom is going to be hitting the UK this Wednesday. That's right, Wednesday, August the 30th. Just in time for British National Cinema Day on Saturday, for people to get some cheap tickets. And this coming Thursday, Sound of Freedom is going to be hitting most of Latin America. Now, that should be interesting, considering the fact that this movie takes place in Central America. So it'll be really interesting to see what happens after this upcoming weekend with Sound of Freedom being released in Latin American countries. My guess is it's probably going to do pretty well. So to date, just so everybody knows, by the way, Sound of Freedom finished 13th in the US, raking in another $2 million, just so you know. So to date, total worldwide box office for Sound of Freedom is just a hair under 182.5 million. That's 181 million domestically and just a hair over 1.5 million that was raked in this weekend between Australia and New Zealand. So there you have it. The little movie that could. And I am so hoping that they're able to pull off doing the reported sequel. I'm so hoping that happens. So that's all I have for now, folks. If you would please take the time, comment down below, show your opinion. What do you think? Have you seen Sound of Freedom? Have you not seen it? Share your opinion down below in the comment section. While you're at it, take the time to smash that like button. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Hit that notification bell to get notified when my content becomes available here on YouTube. And as always, thank you for watching, and I will see you later.